Alright guys, I don't know if the wind's going to cause an issue with this or not. I just picked up this iGen2500, got the oil in it, done a little couple of break-in using some power tools and whatnot, but now is the test I want to do is on my 28-foot camper. Got everything plugged in. Let's give this thing a start here. Kick it over to choke. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, hang on, guys. Maybe probably help I turn it on. All right. So I'm about 6 feet away. It's windy. It's right actually underneath the window inside my camper. I'm going to go ahead and flip on some switches and see what we get. As you can hear, it's actually on the other side of the camper. This thing's unbelievably quiet. Alright, let's go flip on some breakers here. Yeah, I heard it power up slightly. Still real quiet. It's hard as if you can see it. It's actually right outside that window there. So let's do a microwave and see what we get. Okay, you can hear it power up. And remember, that's right outside that window. If you put any kind of space in between you and the generator, I don't even know if you'd hear it. Microwave works. Now's the big test though, is gonna be the air conditioning. Let's see what we can do. Okay, that's regular fan. Air compressor's on. It did stutter for a second, but it's running. Go high. That's pretty impressive. I don't know if anyone can actually hear anything over that air conditioner. I can't even hardly hear the generator running with that air conditioner. Let's go ahead and shut that off. Compressor off. And once again, it's whisper quiet. Highly impressed with that. And that's without a hard start capacitor. I have a 13.5 air conditioner. This is a 2010, so somebody was telling me that the newer models aren't as hard to start with some of these generators, but mine's 9 years old now, and it fired up without any kind of capacitor on it at all. Thanks for watching.